I am making 2-ingredient lemon cake, or some people call these lemon bars. This is lemon cream pie filling and angel food cake with just add water. This recipe is on my website, livingonadime.com. Spray my cake pan with oil. Gonna bake this in the oven at 350 degrees. Okay, here's our lemon bars. You can tell they're done because they're just slightly brown on the edges. We're gonna let this cool and then we're gonna cut it. Oh, yum. Oh, that is the perfect lemon bar. Oh, yum.
2-ingredient lemon bars.
Ooh, yum.
Let
Do I
me know
need a
what you
fork
think.
for lemon bars?
No, not really, but I thought we would. I thought we'd be all fancy-ified.
We'd be delicate.
Yes, we use manners.
Ooh, we'd be hoity-toity.
Yeah.
Mmm.
2 ingredients.
Mmm. I love the taste of lemon bars. Mmm.